Hi soulmates, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to draft this trendy neckline design. So if this is what you're interested in, let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Alright, so to start, you're going to draft your basic bodies, okay? If you don't know how to draft your basic bodies, I will be adding the link to the description box where I taught how to draft your basic bodies, okay? So you can check that video out so that you have an idea, so that you know what we are doing here by ruling all these lines, okay? So just go ahead and check that video out, come back here and continue with the rest of the pattern, okay? So what I'm doing right now is using my tracing wheel to trace what we've done here to the back, okay? So that we can open it up and draft the rest of it. Okay, so we're going to open it up like this, and you're going to place your tape like this. From the shoulder, you're going to come down by 5 or 6 inches and then roll it straight and across. The next thing you're going to do is to measure this line. Whatever you get, you're going to divide it into 3 equal parts, okay? I got 18 divided by 3, 6, so that is what I'm marking, and I'm going to connect straight lines across like this. The next thing is to get the midpoint of these boxes, and we're going to just rule slanted lines across like this, okay? We're just going to rule it like this to give us like a V shape, and then you're going to blend it in as you see me doing. So we're going to do the same thing for the other 2 boxes, okay? So just go ahead and connect as you see me connecting. Get the midpoint and then connect like this. After you've connected, you're just going to blend the edges so we don't have like a V shape, okay? Just make it a little bit rounded, the edges, all right? So after you've done that, from the tip of the shoulder, you're going to come down to this point like this, okay? For the neck width, I marked 3.5 inches. So after you've done that, please note the places that we'll be cutting, okay? So that you don't cut where you actually need. This part is a little bit tricky, but please don't get confused. It's very simple. Pay attention, and I'm going to be showing you. So you're going to cut across like this, okay? So when you get to this point, you turn it, and then you cut it upwards like this. You come down, okay? You come down like this and go up again, and then from that point you come down and you go, and from there you come down to this line that we've marked here, and then you take it from this point, you take it to the tip of the shoulder like this, and there you have it, guys. It's very simple. If this video was helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. Bye.